Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to set up the WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux. What you're going to need to do is go to your start menu, type in turn, and then it'll give you that function there from the control panel. Turn Windows features on or off. Next, what you need to do is you need to enable the virtual machine platform and the Windows Subsystem for Linux. It's going to prompt you to restart your computer afterwards. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to aka.ms/WSL2 kernel. If you're on version 2004 Windows 10, it should come out really soon, like this month. I already have it because I'm using a beta version of Windows 10. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click that link to download this program that gives you this prompt, or rather it's going to actually give you like a little click next shit. But because I already have it installed, it's going to give me an error, and that's fine. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to PowerShell, run that as admin. You're going to open that up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type in wsl-set-default-version and then 2. If you're using a version that doesn't support WSL2, then don't worry about this. You can skip a bunch of the steps that I was mentioning earlier. Aside from installing the Windows Subsystem for Linux feature in that little turn Windows features on or off function. So next you're going to do is you're going to go to the Microsoft Store. You're going to search for Linux, and you're going to get a bunch of things. You're going to get Ubuntu, Debian, OpenSUSE. This is actually SUSE Linux Enterprise, so that's like the paid version. You're going to want to hit Show All. Just figure out which one you want. There's Ubuntu, 1804, OpenSUSE, Debian. I think there's Alpine Linux somewhere as well. Yeah, Alpine WSL, and those are all free. There are other versions that you can find online. There's like CentOS somewhere and like Arch, but for now I'm just gonna go with Ubuntu. It'll say get and then install if you don't own it already. Just give me some kind of weird error. So it's Ubuntu just got installed. Check it out. Just click launch. You can also just launch it from the start menu here. Installing this will take a few minutes. So for this case, I'm just going to use Omar. I'm going to type in a secure password. And there you go. So now it normally sometimes gives you an option to make a separate root password, but you don't necessarily have to do that. It's already secure enough. But if you can remember 2 passwords for the same machine, then go ahead and do that. Aside from that, that's basically it. You can start doing whatever you want. So for this, I'm going to do sudo apt get update and 2 ampersands. That means that it basically just gives you the option to fill in a second command. So that's sudo apt get upgrade. So that's giving me, so that's the first one. That's just updating repositories, making sure all the packages listed are up to date. And then it's going to grab all the updates available for every package that's already installed. So that's what it's doing right here. And from here on, you can just keep tinkering with Linux and just have fun doing whatever with command line tools and whatever else.